Hey there, how you guys doing? Thank you for joining me. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing and also click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy this tutorial. So I lost some of the footage, but I wanted to explain to you how I made this stocking stand. Basically, I added hooks on the top and glued two of the wood signs from Dollar Tree together with wood glue. Once that wood glue was dry, I added some popsicle sticks with hot glue, and that's just to give it a little more security in case I add a lot of weight with my stockings. And the bottom part, the stand, is basically screwed onto the piece of wood with a screw, and I did that with the screwdriver. And that piece of wood I purchased at Lowe's, and I believe it was about $1.80, and it's one of the corners from the door and window trimming. So you can find it in that area. But if you don't want to go to Lowe's, or you can't, or don't find that piece, you can also use one of the pictures from Dollar Tree and glue that to the bottom with wood glue and make it as a stand as well. And once you're done letting everything dry, what you just painted the color of your choice. I'm painting it brown for the fall season, and I'm going to actually hang one of my witch hats that I made last year, and just put it by my door. And for Christmas, I'm going to use it for my stockings, and I'm going to paint it black. So just to give you an idea, you can use it for both holidays, and then afterwards you can use it just to hang your purses, maybe your coats, or even some umbrellas would be cute on here. So you can use this again all year round. And if you do decide to use this outside, I'm using it inside, make sure you add a sealant on top of this so it won't wart or get ugly outside. But it's a really simple and quick and easy to DIY for you guys to do. And again, I just wanted to show you guys how I did it. And I did paint it twice. I put a second coat on. And just drilled the hooks on the very top. I just put one on each side and just randomly placed them so they wouldn't be all the same level. And this is how it looks for fall. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm sorry I lost some of the footage, but until next time, you guys have a great day. Bye.